Yo, good morning, fam. It's your boy C's reporting to you live from the field today. And yo, today actually, I felt the fastest I've ever felt. And yo, Giants, you know, I'm available for a walk-on, all right? So let me know. Line me up next to OBJ. Let's get it. So today's protocol is 80-yard sprints. We're gonna do 6 rounds of those. My right quad, you know, feeling a lot better today, and it was just because I did an extra couple laps warming up. So don't forget to warm up, all right? Let me know what you think, and let's hustle, man. Let's get the day going. Let's do it. Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so I'm talking to 2 things at once. I'm talking to my vlog and I'm talking to the chat. Now we are live in Cafe Nero. I met this awesome person right beside me. Check her out. She's Sarah. All right, we're kind of like sharing this space together, so I'm gonna try and not be as loud. She's okay with it. Anyway, I'm going live on this chat right now and going to be talking, giving a quick little presentation about this 90-day challenge, all right, and some little productivity hacks that you can do in order to join it and get involved and see your results, right? All right, let's get it. So one thing that I mentioned in the chat is the effects and importance of having some sort of public accountability system in place, because it forces you to do shit, especially on the days that you like have no motivation to do it. So whatever it is, even if it's a 90-day challenge or a 30-day challenge, just challenge yourself and make it public, make it known, whether it's through Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, whatever like your thing is, whether it's video, audio, or even written word. Just having an accountability system in place would just increase your results. So don't slack on that, man. Just take the steps and you'll see that you'll be forced to take action, because you may not know it, but somebody out there is watching. And yeah, just get it done, man. And I'm here walking through it day in and day out. So let's do this together. You know, don't do it alone. All right, let's get it.